Daddy.
Oh, you have a lemon. You I thought I didn't have a lemon. Oh, good on me. I do have a lemon.
Hi, Peanut. Ooh, gentle. Gentle. Be careful. Bless you. That's Stimpy. That's a kitty cat. Softy. Soft. Yeah.
He's purring.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I had a little wagon, we could go outside for a walk.
Well, we have a stroller.
Do you? Oh, you're kidding. I was wondering if you brought her stroller. Well, maybe we'll have to go for a walk.
Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
See her little fingertips there. It's just white. She's just hanging on to this so tight.
Easter.
Anyhow, this.
You think she wants to put it in her mouth?
I think so. I think that's the ultimate goal.
I think she's trying.
Yeah.
You gotta move her closer.
Oh, there goes a whole bunch of drool. All over this. What's this? Okay, ascending. What time is it there? 2 hours ahead? 3. You might be in bed. Yeah? Does it feel good on your gums? Really? That's the part I knew she would like.
Yeah? Yeah.
Just banging it up and down. Oh, you got it.
Wow, yeah.
Okay,
Good job.
good. Look at you.
Careful.
What happened to the fish? Paige, where's the fish? Okay, Paige, I'm going to give you a kiss goodnight. Okay, ready?
Aww.
Can you do it again?